Hey everyone, this is Zach from Affinity Energy, here to show you the Solutions tab for where we'll store some documents that we would like to make readily available to you, the customer. So right now we're at the home page after logging in with our specific profile. And in the previous video I spoke about kind of the general layout of this home page as well as the specific edit profile tool that allows us to change some attributes of our profile. Next, I would like to go to the Solutions tab. Now, this looks readily familiar from the home page, but just to go into further detail, we'll have two general folders set up, one for general information and one for specific information. Specific information will be the welcome letter that will be sent to you upon an agreement being certified, and basically having specific detail about how that customer support plan will proceed and what levels of urgency will be considered for various tickets, as well as when to expect a response for a ticket or any kind of other information like what we consider for operating hours for a specific ticket. For anything else more general, we'll have a general folder where we'll hold some, say for example, some instructions. And in fact, we'll switch to that now so I can show to you what to expect from some of these documents. So this page here shows the site map for the customer portal. An abstract map to show how you would get to specific pages or tools within the customer portal. From the initial video, we talked about how we got to the initial site, where we had two options of either logging in or signing up. We went through the process in the previous video of how to sign up through and activate an account. Now that we've logged in, we've seen what we can do in the edit profile portion of the customer portal, and now we're kind of showing what to expect in the solutions. And as stated earlier, this is kind of where we kind of designate what documents we would like for everyone to see, the standard operating procedure for a ticket, or separate it to specific information that only concerns Affinity Energy and the customer. And here I just wanted to show that generally this is the format you would see for most of our documents that we'll share. And in the next video, we'll actually get to the main portion of the customer portal of how to go into tickets, how to navigate through it, determine if you would like to check a specific ticket status or submit a new ticket, and what entails or requirements are needed for us to actually have a good starting point for a ticket submission. But as said, that will be covered in the next video. So thanks for watching. See you soon.